Hi, I'm Emma. I'm 11. I'm learning how to do bridal hairstyles with my mom. It's actually quite fun. And
what? Are you excited?
Yeah?
How long have you waited for me to teach you?
Since I was 9.
Nah, I think it's before 9. Hello guys, this is my youngest daughter and I'm so excited that she loves to style and I can't wait to turn her into a little me. Okay, so let's start out. Don't waste their time. Okay, so get your comb. Is your hair brush? Brush, I didn't say comb. Okay, so before you style a hair, what do you need to do?
You need to prepare it.
Prepare it with what?
The bubble gum.
Oh my god, that is for natural hair. The bubble gum is there. That's for natural hair. So fine, preparing it, which I'm going to teach you. So first, the hair has to be clean. Okay?
Yeah.
So you have to style a hair. Stop combing, please. You have to style a hair to be clean. So when the hair is clean, then you can style the hair. And if the hair has oil in it, you know what you're going to put?
Wash it.
You wash it, but sometimes you don't have time to wash it. You use dry shampoo. Especially when you are doing Caucasian hair. You know what's Caucasian?
No.
Oh my god. You don't know what's Caucasian?
No.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay. Caucasian is a white person. When you hear the word Caucasian hair, you're talking about, you don't just say white people hair. That does not, you just say Caucasian hair. Okay, so let's start. We've done with the lecture now. We are going to do ponytail. So how to grab ponytail. So check if the hair is properly combed. Okay, so now let's put my mannequin properly. Take the comb using some hairspray. So if the hair is too sparse, so you have to use some cream to. So you tiny, open your hand. You have to watch me. So that's just going to smoothen the hair. So if the hair have a lot of flyaways, rub it on your hand like this. Show them like that. You need to be in the camera more. There might be a little children that want to learn like you, like this. Rub it on the hair and walk it back. And walk it back. Okay. So get your comb and you're going to stand for this. You have to stand for this. Okay. So now you have to comb. Comb, comb, comb. Comb. No. Like that. So put your hand, hold it like this. So wait for you. Okay, comb it. You want to watch me? Okay, this is what you're doing. I'm going to show you. This is what you're doing. Look at me. You do it. You have to do it. Hold it like this. Okay? This is what you're doing. You're going to hold it like this. Okay? So you can see that now. So you hold it into your hand like that. Okay? Yes, good. And make sure it's in the middle of the center of the neck. So you can watch me as well. So your hand, no, not like that. Don't hold like that. Yeah, like this. Fantastic. Well done. You're a good learner. Comb it into your hand. Comb the side into your hand. The other side into your hand. Okay. Just comb it into your hand. Comb. Yes. Standing. So you have to learn how to do the ponytail. Okay. You want to stand up? What do you want to be when you grow?
Engineer or scientist.
Oh, I thought you want to be a hairdresser.
Maybe that's.
Nobody can hear you, Emma.
Maybe that's a backup job.
A backup job. Okay. So comb, and let me teach you something. Okay.
You prefer
Oh my-
sitting down.
Alright, sit down now.
Easy.
It's easy. Okay, I will show you something. There's something you can do. Okay, you can turn it to yourself like that. Yes, it's getting better. And when you think you're getting it, you can spray it with a spray. Do you want to do it, or you want me to do it for you?
Maybe.
Okay. No, not like that. You can't hold the spray like that. No, not do that. When you spray the hair, you spray like this. You can't just do it in one place. Okay, that's bad. So try it again. No, away from the hair and spread it. Okay, fantastic. So you can sit down now and keep on combing it. I can't wait for you to be. Do you know how old I was when I started doing hair?
21.
No.
17.
I was 10. I was 10 years old when I started doing hair. So comb it. I want you to put it in this place. Yes. Put your hand, hold here like this. Hold on. Take the comb off. So when you comb it, this is it. Me combing now. You look at my hand. My hand I'm in control. Okay? You have to be in control. You see my hand? I'm in control. You know how to be in control? You have to be in control. Tight. You want to try that? See? Comb me. Look at me. I comb. I hold with my hand. I'm in control. But just imagine this person is the mannequin is real. You have to be careful so you don't kind of yank their hair off. So hold it. You see, I'm in control. Say it.
I'm in control.
I'm in
control.
Yeah. So
a good thing.
Yeah. Keep on combing and don't leave it now. Since you got it now, let's spray it for you. Okay. So let me get a band so that you can hold it. Keep on, just try and brush it. I can't wait. So I started learning hair when I was 10. Do you know how I started learning hair?
By working at a shop.
No, I was 10, Emma.
No. Doing people's hair.
No, okay. One of my auntie, she worked in a restaurant. Oh man, wow, you're doing well. I think later you turn it to the side so that they can see what you're doing. Well done. You see now, in control. Don't worry. Yeah, they can see what you're doing. Come close. Come close. You see, in control. Well done. You see, it's so easy. It's like, yeah, when you hold it, ponytail, you have to be in control. Well done. So my auntie. Not my aunt, yeah, my auntie. So whenever she comes from the shop, she always wants us to plait her hair so that she fall asleep. And then, you know, I can't even do hair. I used to twist it twice, like twist it into two. The mannequin is screaming. I twist it into two. Her hair, people's hair. So I used to play with her hair, but the rest of the people, they run away. They don't want to they don't want to do her hair because whenever we touch her hair, she fall asleep. So we used to do I used to be there like twisting it like this, twisting it until she fall asleep. And it's evening, like sometimes 11, everybody go inside and sleep. Okay, I think that's enough. We go inside and sleep. So I was doing it before, you know, I started doing hair. You see now, so now I want to teach you how to actually style. You know, it's cool to know how to style.
Yeah, so you can style your children's hair.
Not even that, you have a lot of friends. Don't you see the way mommy have a lot of friends? Because everybody wants to be your friend. Oh my God, Emma, you do wonderful. What? You did that? Oh my God, she's doing really well. Well done, but I just want it to be in the middle. I think that's fine, huh? So try and just put it in the middle, and
Doesn't mean to be more lower.
Yes, that's fantastic. More lower, like my one. Like this. More lower, like this. Okay. I don't even. My one look crazy. No, you don't even know what I'm doing, Emma. No, take it off. Take it. Have you?
I seen you did that.
Yeah, you see me, but I didn't teach you. Teaching is different from watching people do something. Okay? You have to sit down, hold it, and I'm going to put the spray. I know you don't wear. Put a bit of spray in your one. I hope you are. Oh my god, you put it in one place. You don't learn things. You don't get it, do you?
I'm trying to do it.
You want me to help you? Yeah, I know you don't like people helping you. That's why you're like me, because I don't like people helping me as well. That's why we are a team. Let me show you how I pull my pin. Okay? So pull the pin like this. Look at me. Push it like this. Like that. Maybe next time we can turn. Look at me. No, don't do that. Just watch me. Put it in and swipe. Don't just watch. In, swipe, in, swipe. Why you do that? So that you don't hurt the person. And I'm going to wrap it around. My viewers already know this because they watch it on the. Look at me. This. So you need to be watching my videos now. That's how you do it. So okay, I think I'm definitely going to help you. Okay, no, yes, roll it again, roll it again, roll it again. Okay, put the pen. Let's see. Put the pen. Let them see what you're doing. Put the pen. Yeah, she did well. She did this.
Like this. And I'm gonna collect more
hair.
More hair.
Pen. This is copper pen. It goes in like this. You don't need to open it. Go in and you secure it to the bottom. No. You didn't look at me. No. Look at me. Like this. It goes. Look at the flat side. Go down like this and pinch some of the hair. That's what we are doing. Okay. That's it. And take another one. Look at what we are doing. That's what we are doing. Take it like this and pinch it down. You need to be in control. Like learning the hair?
Yeah.
You think you want to learn more hairstyling?
Yeah.
Say, guys, thanks so much for watching. And Emma and I, we are so excited to be on this journey together. Hopefully, we can do more of this, and Emma will learn, and she will become a
brilliant
hairstylist like
my mom.
But next year we are going to go deep into hairstyling. And then what will you say to our subscribers?
Bye.
And
Watch this video.
and share. Thumb. You have to look into the lens so that they can see you. Share and
Like
and
bye.
bye. Okay, so let's pack our pins.
I think it's swallowed some spray.
You want to still put some spray?
No, I swallowed some.
Okay, so they put so much spray. That's enough spray. You don't want spray anymore. Go off the camera and Nana.